Okay, so since you're done answering, so naman tayo, pila ka question na nasa board? 5. Okay, 5 questions. So ato siya tagkatag sa answer ha. Kaya man naman mo og answer. So before ana, ato basahon ang questions. Kasabot. Okay, number 1. Where did Benny live? Again.
Where did Benny live?
Asa daw kuno nagpuyo si Benny? Kinsay maka-answer? Okay, Angela.
Jungle.
Okay, very good. Sa jungle. Okay, check the notebook. Ang answer mo ni siya, jungle. Ha? Sa jungle. Unsa gyud ang jungle?
Balay.
Unsay balay? Sa tong jungle?
Kagubatan.
Okay, kagubatan or forest. Okay, very good. Number 2. What again?
What did
Benny
Benny love to do?
unsa daw kunoy tong ganahan buhaton ni Benny? Okay, anami.
Benny loved to roam the forest.
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 Okay, so forest no. So kani pwede lang answer ha, to roam the forest. Kung nain ta Benny love to roam the forest, okay ra po. Pero pwede ra po kaning to roam the forest. Okay? Pwede ra po ang kanang Benny love to roam the forest. Basta naning to roam the forest. Okay? Okay, number 3. Together, read.
Who did Benny meet one day?
Oh, kinsa na to'y iyang nakuan nakita pag one day. Ano sa man to? Kinsa yung maka-answer? Okay, Stefan. Okay, very good, Stefan. Si Milo. Say Mila. Milo. Di siya Milo. So, si Milo, ha? Nilipod si Milo. Si Milo. Kinsa to ang Milo?
Sir, pwede
Kinsa'y basa ni?
Milo.
Okay, number 4.
Milo mana?
Unsa man dyan?
Pwede na monkey Milo?
Okay, pwede na. Monkey bito si Milo. Oh, basta si Milo. Number, unsa may katawanan? Number 4.
What did Benny and Milo?
Milo, dili Milo ha.
Milo.
Unsa man to? Sige sa mo answer. Okay, Jan. What did Benny and Milo become? Na unsa man to sila? Nahimong? Okay, best friends or best of friends. Very good. Best of friends.
So, good evening, students.
Good evening, Teacher May.
So, today, mag-discuss na about area and perimeter. So, what is perimeter?
The distance around the outside of a shape.
So, ang perimeter ko, no? The distance around the outside of a shape. So, ang kuha niya ang iyang sign kay letter E. So, example, kanina unit, rectangle. Ang length,
8 units.
ang width,
5 units.
so, ang saan man na pagkuha? Perimeter equals 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8. So, anong na 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8, 5 plus 8. So, ang sa width kay 8 units, no? Sa ubos po na puan, 8 units. Ang length sa pika, ang length kay 5 units. Ang pika's length kay 5 units. Sad mo ng 5 plus 8 plus 5 plus 8 equals, perimeter equals 26 units. I-plus na sila. Tanan. Other example, hexagon. Sa width,
3 centimeter.
ang length,
3 centimeter.
ang diri nga side nga length,
4 centimeter.
ang width sa ubos,
3 centimeter.
ang kilid nga,
4 centimeter.
ang bigas nga kilid, 3 centimeter. So, ang sign kay P equals the sum of all sides. I-sum ko no ang tanan nga sides. Perimeter equals 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. Perimeter equals, i-plus na ni mo tanan, pila man?
20
20 centimeter. So, dito sa area. What is area?
The number of square units inside a shape.
So, area, the number of square units inside a shape. So, ang sign niya kay letter A.
So, okay, today, we have a story. Unsa gay title sa tong story?
Jimmy learns a lesson.
Okay, Ginny learns a lesson. So, ang story is about, no, a good, bad friend. Kay nga naman, unsa gay moral lesson?
A bad listener is a bad friend.
And so, gipasuwat tap mo, ug unsa experience ninyo, or unsa reflection ninyo about sa moral lessons. So, kinsa may una mo basa? Okay, Paulo, please read.
I learned about that we have to listen in our friends. Don't talk too much about yourself. Give chance to other to talk, and we have to be a good listener. Don't interrupt when someone is talking, especially when it's older than you, like a teacher or something. You have to listen willingly so that they will not be mad at you, get tired of you, and avoid you. So, lesson learned, be a good listener.
Okay, very good, Paulo. Next, Jinmei.
I learned about that we need to listen to our friends and don't interrupt when someone talking, and we don't say too much about ourselves because some of our friends get bored and not interested. Listen and willingly.
Okay, very good, Jinmei. Lastly, Stephanie, please read your paragraph.
Based on my experience, they avoided me and I realized they didn't want to talk to me anymore. You need to listen, not only talk about yourself, but listen to others. If you talk too much, those friends of yours will avoid you. I know all of us don't want our friend to avoid, so listen and don't be full of yourself. Wait patiently for your turn to talk, because everyone don't like someone who always interrupts.
Mana? Okay, very good. So, nagyud tayo kan sa mga experiences about sa pagka bad listener. So, to be a good friend pod, no, we should be able to listen also to other friends. Kaya nga naman, if dili ta maminaw, unsa na to pagkasinabot, mabitan ang gitawag nga communication is the key. Okay.